Hello everyone, this is CrazyCowMM here, and welcome back to Minecraft and another tutorial. So today I am basically going to be showing you how to detect when a player steps on a block and what you can do with that. Now this is just another one of those rebooted, which is obviously a rebooted version of the other map that was horrible. Just another one of those. Yeah, so I felt like it was so bad that I couldn't update it anymore, so I'm completely remaking it with new everything. Now, this map uses this detect block thing, which is why I'm showing you it. Over here, it's not using this clock, it's using this command block here. And this will do stuff. CCMM Corp also used this, as well as the original, just another, wait, no it didn't. Never mind. Just CCMM Corp used this. So anyway, basically what this is a branch off of the execute command. And I'm sure you know what the execute command is, hopefully. You should, but anyway, it's basically just an execute command with the addition of the detect, like tag thing. It's not quite a tag, and it's detecting the block below you, and then you put the ID and the command. Now essentially this command block here, which is always active, is testing to see if you stepped on stone brick. If you do step on stone brick, it'll basically fill this block here, this one here, with a redstone block, which then this one sets to air, but activates this chain of command blocks all the way over here. I'm going to fix this just a sec. All the way over here, which does stuff in here, which opens this hole in the floor. Now, which opens this hole in the floor using like falling sand stuff. I'm not having a good talking day, so you know, falling sand, and says some text and whatnot over there. So I'm gonna go show you exactly how to type out and do this command. God darn it. I'm going to show you how to type out this command and what you can Now I'm going to show you what you can do with the command and how to type it out and whatnot. Alright, so welcome to the random redstone world. I'm sure you recognize this from many previous tutorials, actually two. God darn it. From two previous tutorials. Now essentially this is something I set up before because I set it up. This is basically a replica of the thing in the rebooted just one of those. And essentially, and yeah, it's using and basically it's using exactly the same thing. So we're just going to break this command block and then replace it. And so basically the command is /execute, not that. Oh boy. /execute at a. Now I'm not going to put the radius because we don't need it yet. I'll show you the radius in a little bit. Curly thing. I can't remember what they're called. But they're right below the escape button, probably. At least they are on my computer. And I'm just going to type detect, and then these things again, except with -1 there. And then you're going to type stone, brick, or whatever the ID of your block is, and then it's data. Stone brick 2 is correct stone bricks. And you're going to type the command, which in this case is going to be say you stepped on me, on me, ouch. And so basically, oops, that needs to be always active, and then press done. And so basically whenever you step on this, it'll basically say you stepped on me, ouch. a lot. Which, if you really wanted it to say stuff, is fixable. If you want to fix it, basically what you can do is add a chain here, make it conditional, make this need redstone, get a redstone block, place it next to the command block so it's activated still, like this, and then make this chain command block, set block, which is, that's negative and positive, which is, there, air. And so essentially, whenever you step on this block, it'll say it twice, apparently, because it doesn't like you. And actually, get rid of it. No, but this isn't really the way I would recommend using it. You can use this as a TP, so when you ever, like, completing level thing, so you, like, get to the gold block or something. Get to the, we'll make it gold, okay? Okay. I think the ID for a gold block is gold block, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm just gonna check that. Check that real quick. Oops, check that real quick. Yep, gold block. And then get rid of, shoot. Get rid of the chain command block, not that. I'm just gonna retype that really quick. Zero. /TP, and then you're going to type /TP, whatever, wherever your coordinates are. Oops, there's an added A there. And so whenever you step on, your level completion gold block, yay! Oh dear. Yay! You get teleported to the next level. And then you can always do something like this. Add a chain command block, make it conditional, make it say you finished the level. So step on the gold block, boom, next level, you finished the level. Beautiful. Just like that sunset. Now, the way I did it when just in the way those rebooted is essentially I use this command. I'm not actually going to type it out because I'm too lazy. I use this command here and instead change the TP part at the end to set block, which set this block as a redstone block, and this command replaced it with air, and then it went through this chain of commands, which were essentially falling sand commands, which I'm also too lazy to type out completely. And they were all falling sand commands, and essentially what they did is make it so whenever you... oh dear, the phone. Alright, well, that's done. Now that the phone is done yelling at people. And so essentially what it did was when you stepped on the cracked stone brick, it would make this entire, like, area like this or something. God, I'm failing at placing blocks right now. Oh, jeez, out, jeez, out, jeez. Okay. Something like this, some area like this, when you stepped on it, the entire area would fall. And it would only fall once, and it would only say things once. Which is important because it's annoying when things do things. Hello, Husk. How you feeling? You don't sound so good, man. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyway, that is basically how to detect blocks under players and what you can do with it. I'm sure you can find more creative uses. I'm not a very creative person myself, which is not true, but, whatever. I'm not good at coming up with stuff like that, so I'm sure you could find other uses. Ow, I can't. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Peace out.